पणजे जेटीत सोमारा सरकारी पावंड्यावेली नारळी पौर्णिमा उत्साहात जाली। नुस्तेमारी मंत्री विनोद पालयेकर तशेंच नुस्तेमारी खात्याची संचालिका शर्मिला मोंतेरो हिणी दर्याची पूजा करून दर्याक नाल अर्पण केलो। फाटल्या वर्सा परस ह्या वर्सा चड नुस्तें उत्पादन जावनी आनी नुस्तेमारी भाव सदांच सुरक्षीत आसूं अशें संचालिका शर्मिला मोंतेरो ही उलयली। RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली।
Today's function, we celebrated the Narli Purnima, and this is a season wherein we pray that God gives good and ample catch for the fishermen, and their lives also are safe, because fishing is very it's an activity which sometimes is prone to risks. We cannot tell the weather conditions, and now maybe because of the climate change and all, the weather is changing by the day. Okay, so we have done the puja and we pray that God gives them a good weather and safe return back once they venture into the sea with a very good catch. Last year's total fish production was around 1,13,000 metric tons, and this year also we hope that the catch will be also very good, and we expect that the catch remains higher than last year's, and we also wish that all the fishermen, traditional sector as well as the mechanized sector, they get a very good catch for this coming season. The weather is also this day is a bit rough, but I hope the weather conditions improve and the fishermen are able to go out in the sea and everything is good for them and they get a good catch.